Hey everybody, it's Bander of Podcastage. Now I'm back with another product test video for you guys. So today I'm testing out the giant Squid Omni-Directional lav mic, which you can see right here. Last week I briefly talked about how to improve the audio quality of your YouTube videos. The way I'm doing that today is by using the Zoom H2n, which I discussed last week, and I'm using this as an audio interface. So this is running into my computer, and I'm running my giant Squid lav mic into the line in right here. So the way this improves your video overall is by putting a microphone closer to the audio source, which is going to be your mouth. I know that sounds stupid, but it's very important because what that does is it eliminates a lot of the distracting noise. When you're making a YouTube video where you're talking, you don't want anybody to be distracted or to focus on the car driving by outside or the fan kicking on in the other room. You want them to focus on what you're saying, and by putting a mic as close to the audio source as possible, that helps you accomplish that. This may seem like common sense, but as I've gone across YouTube, it definitely seems like people will invest $1,500 in a camera and completely ignore the audio factor of their videos. They think, I've spent so much money on this camera, the internal audio components must be good. I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. I know that's hard to swallow, but it's true. I think that it's important for you to realize you don't need to spend $1,500 on a camera, which eliminates all your budget for audio equipment. So right now I'm using a $60 webcam, which I think is completely sufficient for YouTube videos, and then I'm using maybe $200 in audio equipment. You could even bring that down to a $60 webcam and a $50 mic. You're looking at $110, and you're gonna be making very good quality videos. So in order to show you how the lav mic actually improves the overall video quality, I'm going to include a short clip using the internal Zoom H2n mics, and then I'm going to include a short clip using the internal Logitech mics to show you how drastically a lav mic improves your video quality. Okay, so now I'm using the 90-degree XY microphones that are built into the Zoom H2n, and it is sitting about 2 feet away from me on the desk. Okay, so now I'm using the internal microphone of the Logitech webcam. Right now it's about maybe 2.5 feet away from me, about the same distance as the Zoom H2n. So as you could tell, the Zoom H2n's audio quality is still good, but it does pick up a lot more distracting noise. So it does draw away from your video quality, or at least what's important within your video. Now once we got to the Logitech webcam, that's where the audio falls off a cliff. It's horrible, it's noisy, it's basically unusable. So if you're gonna use a webcam, which I should say does provide very good visuals, I highly recommend investing in some way to improve the audio quality, whether it be with a H2n and a giant Squid, or just the giant Squid running directly into your computer's mic input. I highly recommend it. It will improve your video quality 100-fold for 50 bucks. So I think that'll do it for this week. If you have any questions about the giant Squid lav mic, leave me a comment and I will answer as soon as possible. And then if you found the video useful, give me a big ol' like. If you thought it sucked, give me a thumbs down and leave me a comment letting me know what you think I could do to improve. And then subscribe by clicking down here. And check out podcastagenetwork.com, where I'm adding more articles about how to improve your podcasts and that stuff. And I will see you next Tuesday. See you later. Bye. I know my shirt's stupid. I just needed a shirt where I could clip my lav mic on, and I went to Target and I bought the first shirt that I could find, so get off my back. I'm fully aware of the situation. Leave me alone. You don't need to leave me a comment telling me how dumb I look.